Hey y'all, it's Jas. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome for the first time. So I bet y'all like, why is your hair like that? My hair is already washed and blow dried because I'm gonna braid my hair today. Now, the last time I braided my hair, which took about 7 hours, was a year ago. Mostly because I didn't know what I was doing. But this time, hopefully, it won't take me that long because I have a little bit better technique. I've seen a big trend on the knotless braids. I'm gonna try those today. We'll see how they turn out. I went ahead and already separated out my hair. This is like a yarn spool rack or something, but I went ahead and separated out my hair. The weave that I will be using is the Freetress weave. I love this hair. It doesn't tangle, hot water set, very easy to use, very affordable, and I'm gonna link all of these products down below. You will also need combs, edge control, and whenever I part my hair, I use Shine and Jam to put on my parts to make it more clean. This is gonna be used for after I'm done with the braids. We're gonna put this to hold and take away any flyaways. And I got me some snacks because we're gonna be here a while. So, like I said, last time it took me 7 hours to do this. The time is now 7 o'clock a.m. So we're gonna get into it. We'll check and see what time I get done with it. But if you're interested in seeing me do this hair, then keep on watching because we about to get into it. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And whenever we're done with the video, if you like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. All right, let's get into it. We'll start off by parting the hair into 3 sections. I will use the comb to make very precise parts because with knotless, you cannot hide crooked parts. I will take the Shine and Jam and add it to the hair in between the part just to make sure that that section is really neat. I take my extension that I already separated out, start plaiting my hair, and then start adding the hair into the plait in 3 small sections. You'll see a closer look of that as we go through the video. When you start adding your hair, you want to add the hair in from the back side because if you don't, it will get a knotted look and that doesn't look natural. You also want to add the hair in gradual small sections because if you add too much hair in at one time, it gets like a skinny big look and that doesn't look natural either. All right, y'all, it's been an hour and I only did 4 braids, but I think it's because I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I think once I get used to the repetition, then I'll go faster, but we shall see how long this takes. right, y'all, the time is now 11:17, so that means I've been doing this for 4 hours and 17 minutes. I am done with the front. Like I said, I really think that it's taking me a long time because I just now really figured out what I'm doing. So now that I know what I'm doing, hopefully the back won't take as long. Look how much hair I got in the back though. All right, so still working, but I'm gonna sit here until we get it done. All right, y'all, I'm finished. The time is now 3:32, which means I spent a whole 8-hour shift on this hair. Really, I should have got paid for that. But anyways, I think it look okay. Besides some of my parts being kind of off. Really now all I gotta do is put the foam on there to, I guess, get some of these flyaways to go away. And then I need to do something to the ends. I really think I'm gonna put the curls at the ends. I really think I am. And then after that, put some decorations in this hair and we done. We done, y'all, we done. Woo. Now let's see how long I keep this up. Usually I'm like a 7-day kind of person, but as long as this took me, I at least gotta keep it up 3 weeks, at least. So yeah. I'm gonna use some gold yarn to decorate some of the braids, just because I think it gives it a cute look and just adds a little pizzazz. Now to make my ends curly, you have to wrap your hair around the perm rods. And you're gonna dip it in hot water, but y'all please be careful because you will burn yourself. Trust me, I have. And make sure you have a towel ready to catch that roller because when that water starts dripping, it is dangerous. Now that the edges are laid, we are done, and here is the finished look. I'm in love with this hair, y'all. I really am. Thank y'all for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and see y'all in the next video.